still crazy for me to say loud that it's happening.
At the moment I feel confused because there was the alert siren from the air.
I'm here in Kiev. I just spent the night in the parking lot.
It's me, Anna, from Kiev. We prepared everything in case they will shield us from the air.
This is how it looks. We put the tape on the windows and now we wear our shoes. We just heard some fire very close to our house, so people grouped in the middle of the parking lot, and yeah, so we just trying to wait it out, and then yeah, we're all scared.
I have my grandma who can't really walk. It would be hard to take grandma to the bombshell. And my mom said that we need to, at this point, to leave the house without her. It will break my heart if I will need to leave someone I love here. This is my mom. She's doing fine. I'm doing fine. Here's the dog. She's also fine.
Hello, so I just learned how to cook, how to boil eggs in microwave. This is what we got in our flat this morning. We saw actually there is our windows, there is like a hole from probably the bullet or something like that. Now it's not comfortable to be here anymore. Like parking lot is our castle now. We all had a feeling that it's gonna be quick because no one knows how to war here. We all thought it's gonna be, I don't know, a few days. This is the new reality. It's not gonna go away very soon, so you need to learn how to live in a new way.
Honestly, I would not want to leave. My motivation is take away my mom from the stress, but the thing is she won't leave without me.